Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. So in this video, we're going to discuss about how to create an interior designing website. So here we are. So also I will explain you how you can buy a domain and how you can purchase the hosting as well as. So we search again. I'm going to click on the domain. Once I click the domain, I'm going to search interior designing India. You can select the currency. Suppose I'm in India right now, so I'm going to select which is the Indian currency, INR, and here you can check. I'm going to select this one, this domain which is the interior designing, and I just click on the view. Yes, so now the charging around for 1 year something, 599 something, and just click on the shared hosting. And also here the multiple hosting, they providing the SSD storage and database and multiple also FTP can you create, so multiple things with your SSL certificate is totally free, and also you can create unlimited emails account, cPanel. So these are the personal informations, I mean of course the personal plan, and you can select this plan. So I'm going to select this one, which the second one, and just click on the use. Second, you can click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, also here the DNS and ID protections is totally free in the domain registrar. So just click on the continue and click on the checkout button. So once you click the checkout button, you need to put your information below. Okay, so after the payment only 2028 rupees you need to pay, and you can buy the directly and the domain and hosting plans. So once you purchase the domain, what you need to do, I am going to show you. I have already account in domain register, so I'm going to show you how you can log in. The first of all, okay, just click on the login button. So once you click the login button, you need to put your ID, email ID and password something. So I'm going to click on the service. So you could, after clicking the services, you need to click on the active button. Yes, now we are, just click on the login to cPanel button. So once you clicked on the login to cPanel, what you need to do, I'm also explaining you, don't worry. So now we are inside of the cPanel. Just scroll down, or you can also search. So I'm going to click on the WordPress because we're creating a website in WordPress only. So I just click on the WordPress. Now what you need to do, just scroll down, and I have already installed the WordPress. So now I'm going to remove this one, remove installation. But what you need to do, once you again whenever you coming here, then click on the install. And also I want to main directory, and if you want to subdirectory create suppose this is your domain and you want to put in the blog something, so you can put the blog and whatever you want. This is a version basically. Also we want in HTTPS, so I just select the HTTPS version, and you whatever admin user you want. So I just want to admin, and just click on the hide and whatever you want, and I want to put the password. Okay, and also here you can select any email ID, whatever your email ID is. So yeah, I have put it. Now again just scroll down and just click on the install. So after clicking the installations, this will take less than 30 seconds something. So now we are the finally successfully installed the WordPress. Just click on the main, this is a home page, and this is the admin panel. So after clicking the admin panel and home page, you can check this is a home page. Okay, also now we are the admin panel. Look, we have the admin panel. So using admin panel, just I'm giving the overview about the admin panel. You can check up the setting. So whatever setting is there, you can change your email ID and password something. Okay, so also some permanents I will explain you, don't worry. And any plugin you want to add, so of course you can click on the plugin and you can search here, and whatever plugin you need, and you need to click on the, suppose we want a SEO. Okay, so I just search on the here only the keyword which is SEO, and you just need to click on the install. So this way you can install the plugin. So now the main point, we need to first of all install the theme. So I'm going to click the theme and click on the add new, and here you can set Astra. After clicking the Astra, what you need to do, just click on the install button. Just click on the install button. Yes, this will take little bit time, so keep patience. So finally this is successfully installed. Just click on the active button. So after clicking active button, what you need to do, also you need to click here, which is the extra option. Then we need to import all plugins. So just click on the import all plugins. So this process will take little bit time, so keep patience. Yeah, finally this is successfully installed. So now you can select whatever page builder you need. Suppose we have the Elementor, we have the Brewer template, and so I'm going to select which is the Elementor. So after successfully install the Elementor and these things, so you can also search the free template. And so because we are going to create an interior website, so I just selected the interior. So yeah, so this one I want to show you how you can this beautiful website, the totally free. So I'm going to click on the import sites. So here you can select whatever you have experience or something. Here if you want to put your email ID or name, so of course you can put. So I don't want to put it here. I'm going to click on the skip button. So how your website will look like, okay, so you can check this website will look like this exactly. So suppose I will also explain you how you can change the logo, how you can change the menu, okay, how you can change the button name, and if you want to put the button or not something, and how you can change the form if any additional field is there. Of course everything I'm going to explain you in this video. So if you have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe, click on the subscribe button, also click on the bell icon so you will get notifications whenever I will upload videos. So yeah, here we are. So this is taking a little bit time just because of all plugins, all all plugins and all SCM, I mean images, post, all things are coming installing in the website. So this reasons taking a little bit time, so keep patience. Once this successfully installed, so I will explain you the next step what you need to do. Yeah, so finally successfully activated plugin, which is a Elementor. I'm going to give you some a small introduction of the Elementor. What is Elementor? Basically plugin you can control all website using Elementor plugin. So how, I will show you. Okay, so here let me close this one. I'm going to close this one, and most of the work we will do on the home page only. Let me refresh this page. So guys, you can check we have successfully installed whatever imported is was pending. So now just click on the view side. So now hope so this is successfully installed, and might be you can guys also check. Okay, so now if you want to change something, okay, so first of all I want to show you how you can change the logo, and you can put your logo, your brand. So just click on the customize button. So after clicking the customize button, just wait for the second. Yeah, here we have the menus, and just click on the menus here. And suppose we have already, I mean, about service portfolio. Suppose you want to remove the portfolio from the top, so I just remove. So you can check also the is services and portfolio is removed now. So suppose you want to remove this one also, the contact. Okay, so I just click on the contact is now removed. So this way of course you can do that. So let me publish this button, and again, so again click here, and just again here, and suppose some configurations from the home page. So which particular page you want to make a home page. So of course this is a primary home page, so we don't want to change. Okay, and Suppose you want to change the logo, just click on the edit button. Okay, so here we have logo, and just click on the change, and whatever logo we have, and guys, any logo you want to change, of course. So, and you want to upload from the your side, then you need to click on the upload files, and you need to select, then easily you can update your logo. And here, if you want to increase height something also you can do that, but I don't want to any changes here, so I just put it here 73, and again I publish that button. And I hope so you understand how you can change the logo. Okay, yes, so this way you also can change the logo. And yeah, just click here, and button we have in the header, like appointment something you want to change. Yes, this way you can change. Okay, so I don't want here. And also if you want to put some link here also you can put from your site, so leave it. And here now I'm going to show you how you can change your footer part. You need to click here the site logo, and this way you can change the logo. And here also you can change the primary button, whatever primary things you want to put here. So this way of course you can change. And let me go again the home page. Now I'm going to show you how you can change the this kind of stuff. Suppose you want to change banner and this text and this button, so how you can manage. Okay, so just click on the Elementor. So by using Elementor you can change the entire website. Most of the parts, I mean 90% parts are controlled, you can control from the Elementor plugin only. So I just click there, and then scroll down, and suppose you want to change the banner. Okay, so you need to click on the middleware, which is a dot 6 dots we have, and again here you need to click which is a setting, which is a style basically. Yeah, and you need to change whatever images you have. Okay, otherwise you can change check from the free images, calling from the which is the Pixabay. So suppose I want this particular inside of the background, so just click on the import. So now you can check we have background with a different image, correct? So I'm not going to publish because I don't like this one. So just again click on the here, and whatever we have the previous image, so of course we can select. Let me again load more, click on the load more, jump here, and yeah, this social, I think so, yeah. Or I think so, which is, suppose this one I'm going to again publish the website. Yeah, this image is looking fine. So now, so again, so hope so now you understand how you can change the image. Okay, and suppose you want to change the text, you need to click on the edit button, and here you can change whatever text you want. Same things for there. Yes, if you want to change from the background also, you can easily select whatever images and video you want to the particular section also. Yeah. So this way you can change. Also suppose you want to change for the inquiry form, easily you can check. But I will tell you how you can customize your form. So you can watch out my video, which is you need to go in the YouTube, and I will also give you the description area so you can get it directly. So Real Programmer, which is my channel, you need to click on the SMTP only. So hope so this will the short description I have given. Okay, so how you can customize the SMTP thing in WordPress, of course you can check there only how to send the email in WordPress using SMTP server. So if this video is not helpful, let me know, definitely I will create the separate video for you also. So now I'm going to here, and let me go and in the inside the Elementor. Hope so now you understand how you can customize your form. And so also just check we have the about and this section. So if you want to change easily, just clicking the edit, and after clicking the update button, this will automatically you can update. Okay, so this way you can manage your website. Guys, if you have any questions, any doubts, so let me know, definitely I will create a separate video for complete complete, I mean, introduction. So this was basically video based on the how you can create your interior designing website. Okay, so if you want to learn more about the WordPress, definitely I can create a different video so you can also understand how you can create a from scratch something. So thank you for watching this video.